Remember when our grandparents used to tell stories about life before dishwashers and washing machines? Chores used to take so much longer. Over the years, technology has slowly but surely been making its way into our homes, changing the way we do things. These days, technology is all about making our lives easier, especially when it comes to those everyday chores. Let's take a look at some of the exciting tools that are transforming our homes. The kitchen is the heart of the home and also where we tend to spend a lot of time on chores. Smart appliances are changing the game, making cooking and cleaning easier than ever. Imagine a refrigerator that keeps track of your groceries or an oven that you can control from your phone. Smart refrigerators are like the personal assistants of the kitchen. They can create shopping lists based on what's running low and even suggest recipes based on what's inside. Some models even have built-in cameras, so you can peek inside while you're at the grocery store. No more buying what you already have. Smart ovens take the guesswork out of cooking. You can control the temperature and timing remotely using your smartphone, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. Many smart ovens also come with pre-programmed settings for different dishes, making it easy to whip up delicious meals. Section 5. Smart washing machines taking the guesswork out of laundry. Gone are the days of deciphering complicated washing instructions. Smart washing machines can automatically select the optimal cycle for different fabrics and soil levels. They can even send notifications to your phone when the laundry is done so you don't forget a load in the washer. Section 6. The future of clean robot vacuums and smart mops. Imagine coming home to sparkling clean floors without lifting a finger. Robot vacuums have revolutionized the way we clean our homes. These little helpers navigate around furniture and obstacles, picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair. Smart mops take it a step further, using sensors to map out your home and mop the floors efficiently. Section 7. A germ-free home? The power of UV sanitizers. In today's world, keeping our homes germ-free is more important than ever. UV sanitizers use ultraviolet light to kill bacteria and viruses on surfaces, providing an extra layer of protection for your family. You can find UV sanitizers for everything from smartphones and keys to toothbrushes and baby bottles. Section 8. Home management made easy. Technology isn't just about appliances, it's also about simplifying the way we manage our homes. Home management apps like Todoist and Google Home allow you to create to-do lists, schedule appointments, and even control your smart home devices all in one place. No more sticky notes scattered everywhere. Section 9. Saving energy, saving money. Smart home technology isn't just about convenience, it's also about sustainability. Smart thermostats learn your temperature preferences and adjust automatically, saving energy and lowering your heating and cooling bills. Similarly, smart lighting systems can be programmed to turn lights on and off based on occupancy and natural light, reducing energy waste. Section 10. Embracing technology for a more efficient home. As you can see, technology is transforming the way we live in our homes, from smart appliances that simplify chores to home management apps that keep us organized. These innovations are freeing up our time and making our lives easier and more efficient. So why not embrace the future and see how technology can work for you? Section 11. The future of home technology. The world of home technology is constantly evolving, with new and exciting innovations emerging all the time. It's an exciting time to be a homeowner as we discover new ways to make our homes more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. What are some of your favorite home tech gadgets? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the exciting world of home technology. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the many ways technology is transforming our homes for the better. Until next time, happy innovating.